Hi everyone, my name's Jonathan Mills and welcome to my course Working with JavaScript Modules. Now I'm a technology advisor at Worldwide Technologies and a frequent speaker on JavaScript topics around the globe. And sometimes working with JavaScript can feel unwieldy or awkward, and especially if you're doing it in just your HTML files or in a vanilla JavaScript application. And sometimes, even outside of that, our JavaScript can evolve into just a massive spaghetti code that's really gross and hard to deal with in all of our JavaScript files. Now in this course, we're going to talk about how to break that up a little bit and start breaking code into smaller, usable pieces using the new ES6 module syntax. In this course, we're going to talk about what modules are and why in the world we would even use them. We're going to talk about creating modules and then exporting individual pieces of that module out for the rest of your application. And once you're exporting code, now you're going to need to import that code. So we're going to talk about the import keyword and how to use that appropriately. We'll do all of this in the context of a real-world example so you can see the mechanics of it as we go. Now, by the end of this course, you'll have put both import and export into practice and understand how to start breaking up your own applications into modules. Now, before beginning this course, you should be familiar with JavaScript in general, but you won't need any framework knowledge, no React or Angular or anything like that yet. You will apply this to those, but you don't need to know those in order to understand modules. Now, I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about building reusable and maintainable JavaScript code with the Working with JavaScript Modules course here at Pluralsight.